Good morning everyone. This is Team Ramanujan. Today we are gonna do an activity on pi. So we know that pi goes on forever. Its value is 3.14. It's just a rounded off value. Or it can be told as in fractions form 22/7. This is also this is an irrational number which is which can be expressed as decimals and fractions, but it's not. It's just rounded off. It's not its real value. So in pi, in America, like National Pi Day is celebrated on March 14, which can be told as 3.14. So it's just a fun fact. Now pi is an interesting number. It's in the number line just between 3 and 4. So hence it doesn't go on forever. It just has random digits that just infinite digits. So it can be told as 3 1/7. Now my friend David is going to tell about the history of pi.
Good morning, friends, students, and principal. I'm going to be explaining the brief history of pi. The number pi is a mathematical constant that is the ratio between the circumference to its diameter. Approximately pi is equal to 3.14159. Now, the number pi has been used in many formulas across math and physics, but like this number as itself, the idea of pi has existed for over 4,000 years. It was originally discovered by the Babylonians, who calculated the area of a circle by taking 3 times the square of its radius, which gave the value of pi is equal to 3. Now, in the Rind papyrus, around 1650 BC, gives an insight to the mathematics of ancient Egypt. The Egyptians calculated the area of a circle by a formula that gave the approximate value of 3.1605 for pi, found around the same time as the Babylonians. The first calculation of pi was done by Archimedes 212 BC, one of the greatest mathematicians of the ancient world. Even though he did not get pi's real value, he found that pi is in between 1/7 and 10/71. Later, new ideas from 3 mathematical superpowers of the time, that is, China, India, and Persia, changed the world. Chinese mathematicians used a method similar to Archimedes and brought down the value of pi to 3.1416, which is almost equal to pi. Then, around 200 years later, other Chinese mathematicians brought it down to 6 digits, that is 3.14159, which was now a new record set for over 800 years. In this period of 800 years, no one tried to calculate pi simply because of how complex the number system of that time was. However, this changed when Indian mathematicians made a number system of 10 systems and a place value notation sometime around 400 AD. This number system rapidly spread to Persia, where another key idea came from, algebra. Although it was originally developed by Babylonians and Greeks, it was established by Persian mathematicians. And mathematicians who were working on pi used it to turbocharge their work. Then, in 1630, the most accurate estimate of pi, using a similar method to Archimedes and the Chinese mathematician, was achieved, and it brought down the value of pi to its first 38 digits. Then, another method of finding pi using infinite series was founded in India, and then was independently rediscovered in Europe, where later spread across the entire world. In 1719, a mathematician used this method to find the first 112 digits of pi. As new infinite series were made, computers came up, making it much easier to find the digits of pi. The current world record of pi is 22.5 trillion, the first 22.5 trillion digits of pi.
That's using computers.
Yes, ma'am.
And so, can you just give some significance of pi of the Gauss equation or Euler's identity? Write it down, Kevin, and explain.
Now, we can
Gauss equation.
The Gauss equation, also known as Euler's identity, it's e to the power I pi plus 1 is equal to 0. So, e to the power I pi can be written as -1, which gives plus 1 and -1 gives us 0. In maths, e to the power I pi, which is -1, is considered as God, and plus 1 is considered as humans, and God and humans are given nothing. So we can and it's used in finding circumference of the circle. It's 2 pi r or pi d. Now we are going to recite write down the first 20 digits of pi. So it starts from 3.141592653
Followed by 8, 7, 9, no, 8, 9, 7, 9, 3, 2, 3, 8, 4, 6.
This is the first 20 digits of pi. So like 3.14 we have used it for all the equations we just looked at, and these are like it just followed by this to get an accurate value. Thank you.
Can we get a round of applause for that?
Any questions?
Yeah, any questions?
You said that pi order ends with 4, right? Right, the 20 after 10 ends with 4, and then in between is infinite digits. Why is it ending in 4 then?
See, this doesn't end in 4 because see, this is not the real value of pi. It's just a number in the number line between 3 and 4. It's just a decimal point. So like 3, if you put 3 by 1, not 1 by 3, it can be told 3.333. You can go.